Hi YouTube, welcome back to my music channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe every time I post. Let's get into our video. Through a series of videos, we will learn basics of music theory, concepts that help us understand music. In part 1, we will learn the musical staff and its parts. A musical staff is a set of 5 horizontal lines and 4 spaces. Each symbolizes a different musical pitch belonging to a note on lines and spaces where both have letter names. Spaces are labeled FACE or face, starting with the first space at the bottom. The lines are labeled as EGBDF or Every Good Boy Does Fine, starting at the bottom line and going to the top. In order to remember these pitches on a line in space, we use some kind of musical device to help our memory called mnemonic. Now, when we divide a section of the staff, what we have is bar lines. Bar lines are vertical lines that are divided into bars or measures according to the time signature. There are different types of them. Most common ones are standard, double, final, and repeat signs. A standard bar line has a single thin vertical line that indicates the end of one bar and the beginning of another. Double bar lines consist of two thin lines. It is often used to denote significant changes in the music, like in key signatures, tempos, and many others. Final bar line consists of two lines, one thin and the other thick. It marks where the music ends. Repeat signs have a start and end. Repeat start has a thick line followed by a thin line with two dots. The end mirrors the start repeat. It has two dots, a thin line, and a thick line. Clefs are a musical symbol used to indicate which notes are being shown. Most notably in the piano are G clef and F clef. G clef is also known as the treble clef. It indicates a range of notes in middle C. F clef, commonly known as bass clef, indicates the ranges of notes below middle C. Key signatures shows us what key we're in. They are represented as sharps and flats. The order of sharps goes from left to right: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and B sharp. Order of flats is the reverse of the order of sharps: B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, and F flat. Both orders are arranged that way. This is to determine the circle of fifths, a way of organizing the 12 major and minor keys and how they are related. This is a helpful tool for musicians, especially for pianists. We'll learn that topic later in our series. Time signatures is an indication of rhythm in each measure, generally expressed as a fraction. The denominator gives the beat as a division of a whole note, while the numerator gives the number of beats in each bar. There are many types of them, but here are the most basic and common ones: 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, and 6/8. We will discuss more later in the series. 2/4 has 2 beats per bar. The first beat starts out strong, second ends on a weak beat. Therefore, this feels like a march. Strong, weak, strong, weak. 3/4 has 3 beats per measure. The first beat is strong, second and third beats are weak. This feels like a waltz. Strong, weak, weak, strong, weak, weak. 4/4 has 4 beats per bar, and the quarter note is equal to 1 beat. The first beat starts out strong, second and fourth beats are weak, the third beat is medium. Strong, weak, medium, weak. Strong, weak, medium, weak. 6/8 has 6 beats per measure, and the beat that equals to 1 is an eighth note. Therefore, we can fit 6 eighth notes, or what is equal to it, into each measure. You get groupings of 3 in this way: strong, weak, weak, medium, weak, weak, strong, weak, weak, medium, weak, weak. That concludes our video. This is what it looks like if you put all the concepts together, and reading it is an exceptionally helpful tool. It helps us organize pitch and many more. The more time we practice, the easier it gets. See you next time. Peace.